15 Anti-aging foods that will make your skin glow. Aging is a slow but continuous degradation of your DNA. Here are some food items when become your daily partners. They can slow down the process and you can enjoy youth for a long period. By the end of this video, you will discover the 15 best anti-aging foods that will make your skin glow. Watch till the end to find out all the 15 type of foods for beautiful skin. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you won't miss the upcoming videos of living a healthier and happy lifestyle. 1. Lemon. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition has stated that women who were noticed taking more of lime and vitamin C have better skin than those not having much of it. Lemon juice, either drinking it or directly applied to your skin, gives you a high dose of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant and it neutralizes the oxidative stress which after some time starts causing premature aging. It is a collagen manufacturer as well. Collagen is responsible for the elasticity in cells which helps the skin look more youthful and bright. 2. Oranges. Oranges, seasonal fruits, come for a very short period during winters. Make sure you get dozens of them as soon as they arrive and get 100% beneficial from this magical fruit. Natural oils in oranges are very helpful in moisturizing the skin and keeping it healthy for a longer run. Also, oranges are full of antioxidants such as vitamin C, which slows down the production of wrinkles and makes your skin look young. Not only the kernel part but the peel of an orange is also very useful. It has a high content of citric acid which helps in skin exfoliation. Making a scrub and using it daily can be a regime for healthy looking skin. The high content of vitamin C present in oranges helps to make collagen that is responsible for the elasticity and firmness of the skin. So, they prevent sagging of skin, making it look younger than the actual age. Don't wait for your skin to warn you about starting orange daily. 3. Nuts. Nuts like pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds have plenty of skin benefits. They are rich in vitamin E, which is a strong antioxidant and hence can reduce the damage caused by the oxidative stress on the skin. Not only these two but also almonds are a rich source of vitamin E, hence reducing inflammation and making skin glow. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E, which helps in repairing skin tissue, protecting it from damage caused by UV rays. Walnuts contain anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids that may help in strengthening skin cell membranes. So, start adding either pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds in your oat or breakfast. 4. Papaya. Papaya, a fruit, yellow from inside, has many antioxidants in it which neutralize the effects of free radicals and delay the anti-aging signs. Papaya contains another enzyme called papain, which is one of the best anti-inflammatory compounds found in nature. Hence papain works for the betterment of the skin, and this compound is also used industrially in beauty products for better results. This delicious superfood has vitamin C, Ke, and A, which all are very beneficial for skin, and they help the body in minimizing the elasticity, fine lines, and wrinkles on the skin. 5. Water. Almost 70% of the human body is water, and almost all the reactions in our body need water for them to proceed. Water makes up the cell, hydrates them, and also it removes the toxins in the form of urine from the body. Water makes your skin plumper and so makes it look younger. Water takes out all the toxins in your body which affect the texture of the skin. 6. Chocolate. Most precisely dark chocolate. Dark chocolate has a compound called flavonols in it. Flavonols are known for increasing the blood flow towards the skin, make the skin looks youthful. UV light coming from the sun can damage your skin and can leave permanent damage if exposed for a long time. Flavonols absorb the UV radiation and protect the skin against the damage, making it look even brighter and healthier. So, start eating dark chocolate as snacks to make your skin glow. 7. Berries. Berries, a fruit, being consumed worldwide. Berries are rich in antioxidants that work against the free radicals produced in the body due to many factors and decrease the toxicity in the body. They give you protection against skin-damaging free radicals from sun exposure, stress, and pollution, and they have vitamin C, which helps prevent the wrinkles. Said celebrity nutritionist Lisa DeFazio. Start adding berries to your salad and snacks more often for glowing skins. 8. Melons. Melons, especially cantaloupe melon, is one of those fruits that are good for your skin and they would help you having a mesmerizing skin. Cantaloupe melons helps in hydrating as their water content is very high. Secondly, they have an anti-inflammatory effect, so if you have acne and other skin itching issue it can help you. Coenzyme Q10 is a powerful antioxidant and it helps to reduce oxidative stress. Niacinamide is a compound that helps to build keratin. Keratin is a protein that makes the skin firm and reduces wrinkles. Also, niacinamide reduces fine lines and protects skin damage. Watch until the end to discover what other foods that will make your skin glow naturally. If you have not, click the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you could benefit from living a healthier and happier lifestyle. 9. Beans. Beans, which are of many types, the red beans among them, are highly beneficial for skin as well as overall health. Skin cells and all the cells in our body are made up of proteins. Cells need a lot of proteins to divide and make new cells. Beans are so full of all those proteins, so it helps in making new cells and scraping off old ones. New cells make skin look younger and healthier. Along with this, they have a lot of antioxidants in it. By fighting free radicals, they protect skin cells from damaging and hence make your skin glow. 10. Eggs. Many people love taking eggs in their breakfast, either boiled or in the form of an omelet. But fewer people know that it helps your skin in several ways. Egg white is considered an excellent food that can be used when making facials to look young. Egg whites contain protein, riboflavin, magnesium, and potassium. These aspects promote youthful, hydrated, wrinkle-free skin, and protein has properties that boost the healing and growth of facial tissues. Eggs are great for deep cleansing treatments, and the protein is good for firming up your skin. Shrink or tighten pores with an egg white face mask. 11. Pineapples. The vitamins in these fruits include vitamin A, vitamin C, beta-carotene, thiamine, vitamin B6, and folate. Also, pineapple has a great quantity of potassium, copper, manganese, calcium, sodium, and magnesium. Pineapples have magnesium, which is used to regulate enzyme prolidase. Prolidase makes up the protein proline at the end, which provides collagen. Collagen is the building block of elasticity of the skin, and it helps to firm the skin, making it tight and look younger than the actual age. Pineapple is your new best friend if you're looking for something to slow down the aging process. That's because it's rich in antioxidants and alpha-hydroxyl acids, which fight skin-damaging free radicals, making your skin a lot better. 12. Green tea. Green tea contains a powerful antioxidant called EGCG, which fights DNA damage from UV rays to prevent skin cancer. It is also a potent anti-aging ingredient that combats signs of aging when ingested or applied directly on the skin. Also, green tea is rich in catechins, kind of polyphenols, which makes it such a powerful antioxidant. As catechins inactivate free radicals that may attack your skin, green tea helps to protect and soothe your complexion, and even works to lower the signs of aging on the skin. 13. Green vegetables. Green vegetables are in your salad bowl for a reason. Why are all these nutritionists yelling to take green vegetables daily? Because it is beneficial to your body. Spinach has loads of phytonutrients that help the body in protecting your skin from sun damage. It also has beta-carotene and lutein, nutrients that research has found to improve skin elasticity. 14. Pomegranate. In past few decades, research on pomegranate have revealed that this fruit has many antioxidants, anti-inflammatory and anti-carcinogenic compounds in it, which make it as a very beneficial fruit for overall health. But along with them, it also has a compound called L-glutamines, which are, when taken down the throat to the gut, it converts into urolithin, UA. Urolithin is a metabolite of biomolecules present in pomegranate and many other fruits. This metabolite has anti-aging effects on your skin. Extract of pomegranate, when applied directly to the skin of mice in a study, it reduced the wrinkles and spots on the skin. It was then inferred that this was due to vigorous cell regeneration, which is caused by L-glutamines. This washes away the old cells and make new cells, making skin look younger and healthier than before. Now you know that pomegranate juice doesn't just taste good, but it is also one of the best anti-aging food. 15. Fish. The Washington Post reported that once two bears who suffered third-degree burns on their paws in California quickly have recovered with the aid of fish skin bandages. The bandages were created industrially and artificially from sterilized tilapia fish skin and attached to the bear's paws. These bandages help the bear heal faster, soothed it due to the collagen protein from the fish skin directly absorbed into the injured paws. Along with these, the high protein portion in it and omega-3 helps plumping the skin and lowering the chances of wrinkles, tightening the skin, hence giving it a more youthful look. It's great to start adding fish into your diet to make yourself look much younger. Click the like button. Share this with your friends and loved ones so that they could also live a healthier lifestyle and benefit from it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, turn on the notification and see you in the next video.